There is no doubt why Fame Frequency is the highlight on a Saturday. The concepts continue to trailblaze, as this week the party dedicated a special segment to great reggae bands. The Captain Colin Hines and the teacher DJ Denver showcased their knowledge and evoked memories as they took patrons down memory lane with the big bad sounds of Morgan Heritage, Fab Five, Bob Marley and the Wailers, Byron Lee and the Dragonaires, Toots and the Maytals, Third World, Black Uhuru, Inner Circle, Bloodfire Posse, Koch along with the British bands UB40, The Oswald,
Give thanks to sweet reggae music and this positive vibe. Reggae music send a positive
Jamaican and reggae bands. So it includes international bands. So okay, all right, here we go. This is the Taxi Gang. Jeez.
Fame Frequency.
Legendary reggae band, Aswad. Do you remember?
There's a fire. What's the matter, people? Solidarity. Solidarity. Open sesame. Here comes Rastaman.
It's called Salute the Bands.
Right now we are going at the barnyard. Wholesome healing.
Children, run to the river.
This is Chalice, yeah?
Again, I want to feel brand new. Tiny whiny, while your boom boom. Tiny whiny,
Yes, sir. Salute to this legendary band, Third World.
And all I ask of you is that you look as I do. I want you to know that I am the man.
Fame Frequency Salute the Bands trended at number 1, as usual, as fans thoroughly enjoyed the treatment of the segment. Now, fans of the show are counting down to this weekend as Fame Frequency celebrates 1 year. Patrons can expect a full celebration with their favorite DJs and other special moments. Can't wait. I'm Daedran, reporting for ePrime.